What's going on, everybody? Danny Koker here, aka the Counts Customs in Las Vegas. Check this out. We did this wicked, way cool custom golf cart for NAPA, and it's right here in Vegas. You guys rock. NAPA rules.
What's up, everybody? It's world famous Ghetto Bob here from Counts Customs County Cars with my main man Ryan Evans.
What's up, everybody?
We're celebrating 100 years of NAPA.
100 years.
100 years.
NAPA Auto Parts.
NAPA Auto Parts. That's anywhere from ball joints, brake pads, shocks, struts,
Velcro gaskets, champion spark plugs.
the list goes on and on. You've been to a NAPA. You've obviously gotten parts to keep your ride going. And this year, we're building them a golf cart.
Yep, we're commemorating 100 years of NAPA Auto Parts
Right.
via a golf cart. Not
Golf
just any
cart.
old golf cart. This is going to be a cool-ass golf cart.
It's going to be cool. It's going to get the word out. It's going to be something. I'm sure there's a nice guy at NAPA that's going to be playing golf with it one day.
Like a race car driving around golf
Exactly. He's got to be playing golf with it, you know?
Trust me, you won't be able to miss this golf cart.
Everybody, it's official. The NAPA golf cart Extreme Vision is here. Extreme Vision. You realize I say it's Extreme Vision because it looks plain and simple, but it's extreme.
Felt like I needed to put on a collar shirt, tuck it in while I painted on it, because this looks legit. This looks exactly like a corporate golf cart, but with a whole lot of style to it, because the colors on this thing in the sun, woo, woo, woo.
All blue roof.
Got some sparkle on the roof. Got some
Sparkle?
Oh yeah, it's got sparkle
Oh,
in there.
I didn't even get up there high enough to see the
I
sparkle.
dusted a little ice in there.
Got some fresh seeds. I mean, I don't know what else you could do to a golf cart other than create a crazy body like we did in the
We
past.
can do a crazy golf cart.
But for a clean business, corporate,
Professional.
there's going to be a nice guy playing that golf.
Oh yeah.
Driving around in this, beeping the horn, bumping the music.
This is it. This is the one. Velcro gaskets, champion spark plugs. NAPA, 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 NAPA. This
You
is
got
cool.
a crush bar in case you want to get a little crazy and ram somebody
Wanna
that ain't
bump
moving
into
out of your
somebody?
way.
Where are we gonna have this at? The NAPA show?
The NAPA show. The NAPA car is going to the NAPA show.
I know it's a big show, a lot of people there. We have a lot of fun. We talk to a lot of people about car parts and projects and different brands because NAPA carries everybody.
That's right. NAPA has it all.
They do.
They make it all.
I love them to death. On that note,
Let's go.
Nice to see you guys. Thanks for coming and hanging with us. We appreciate y'all having us.
It was so last minute, then it got to us so quick that we just had to throw it in the mix. So nobody was counting hours. We weren't trying to do it. We just wanted to get the job in and out and get it done.
All right, Ryan says more than 40, less than 60.
To start with this, I'm a huge drag race fan. I mean, Ron Cap, Napa, are you kidding me? When I saw this golf cart in, I think Napa, I want the golf cart to look like it's going 200 miles an hour sitting still. I also think about Napa being professional. They've always handled us, and as far as I know, everyone else that I know, everything has been very professional, very clean, very tidy. I've never walked into a junk pile of a Napa dealership ever in my life. Everyone is so incredibly professional, and they all look clean and classy. They handle themselves very well. So I kind of twisted the drag racing with the logos and everything, and the little Ron caps fade in there and the color. So that was like a guarantee for me. And then Bob put more twists on it.
I couldn't leave the seat alone. It needed to be expensive. You can't play golf on a plastic seat.
I need somebody like Ghetto Bob who knows how to take a project from start to finish and do things extremely creative throughout the vehicle. I need a guy like Shannon over here who knows how to take a bike apart from stem to stern, top to bottom. And I just stay creative. I don't really know that I need a guy like Mike.
I'm going to build a 24-foot 6-inch Batmobile. It's about 9 foot 6 inches tall.
He is going to build it, and it is going to be outrageous. So yeah, I'll give him credit for that.
I'm good. I got my dream cars. I got both of them. I'm good.
Every car that comes out of our shop, we want it to look like a SEMA show car. We want this thing to be unbelievable. But we want you to be able to get in it, turn the key, and drive all the time. It's an amazing team effort. It really is.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Q&A.